Hello everyone, I am Yatish Jain from the Health and Biosecurity team at CSIRO. Today, I'm very excited to talk about Serverless Beacon, a cloud native genomic data exchange platform. It is estimated that 50% of the world population will be sequenced by 2025. That's a lot of data, but we are talking about data distributed across multiple organizations and multiple labs. To be able to generate meaningful insights from this distributed data, we need to allow sharing of genomic variants across multiple labs without worrying about losing the data ownership. A secured environment is thus needed. In 2019, Nature Biotech published a federated discovery and sharing of genomic data using Beacon, a protocol that allows secured exchange of genomic information. A reference implementation of the same is Elixir Beacon. Elixir implementation allows users to query for a specific allele at a specific location on a specific chromosome, and Beacon responds to that query with a yes or a no. Since Beacon release, there is only 8% increase in the number of organizations that lit up Beacon. This could be because reference implementation is difficult to set up, it is expensive, it is not extensible, and is inefficient for large cohorts. Beacon can only generate greater probability of true allele frequency if more organizations light Beacon, especially for the minority groups that are already underrepresented in the genomic data sources. With all these points in mind, we implemented Serverless Beacon, which allows users to query this frequency of a specific allele at a specific location on specific chromosome. Serverless Beacon is faster and cheaper when compared to Elixir implementation. Serverless Beacon can be implemented within users in cloud infrastructure with a simple command. The query time of Elixir implementation increases exponentially with increased dataset size, which is brought down to linear increase in Serverless Beacon. Testing the bulk ingestion of 2500 samples with 5 million variants, Elixir implementation requires 33 hours to register these new data assets with a central database, while Serverless Beacon only takes 22 seconds. This represents a 5400 fold of speed up and 99% cost improvement. Serverless Beacon is extensible, as demonstrated by COVID Beacon implementation, which allows users to query COVID-19 virus genome. COVID Beacon on open source data is available freely on covid19beacon.csiro.au. COVID Beacon also customizes the beacon protocol to generate visualizations showing geographic distribution of a searched variant and frequency over time for a searched variant. We are still enhancing Serverless Beacon. Future work with Serverless Beacon involves working with restricted datasets and allowing only registered users to query these datasets. Extending Beacon to pathogens genome, more metadata, including state-wise distribution of genomic variants, and downstream analysis like effects of mutation on protein sequence. I would like to conclude by saying cloud native genomic data exchange is the way forward, and Serverless Beacon stands out because it allows secure exchange of genomic data. It is easy to implement, cost effective, as well as extensible to other genomes. It can be customized to meet specific needs within any organization. We at Cyro believe in working together and would love to collaborate. So do reach out to us. Thank you for your time today.